sobrang saya. Pero pag dumaan na yung mga araw, ang hirap pala. Puyat. Mapupuyat at saka maraming gagawin. Pero sobrang saya. Hindi mo maipaliwanag. Ha? Okay, sige.
So she said that there's a lot of happiness when you first get the baby. But when the baby is already out there, you would say it's not easy. Continue.
Kaya ako marami pa eh. Ayan. And,
One sentence at a time.
okay. May mental block talaga ako
I
ha.
have a mental block.
Yeah, kasi gusto kong i-recall mabuti kung ano yung nangyari nung ganyan pa yung stage ko. Just imagine, 35 years. 35 years na yung eldest ko. And wala akong maalala kung hindi sobrang saya at sobrang medyo pahirap ng pahirap, puyat, pero nandun pa rin yung talagang yung kaligayahan na hindi mo may papaliwanag. Pero talagang mapupuyat at sobrang ibibigay mo lahat ng protection mo sa kanila.
Okay.
Pero ngayon, okay. I'm so sorry.
So there will be sleepless nights. There will be a lot of fun. But in the end, as parents, you would always do your best to give the best for your child.
And my advice is, this is very important. Kasi marami akong mali na ngayon ko lang nare-realize.
I made a lot of mistake that I just realized right now.
Yung sumobra yung overprotective ko.
You know, sobra talaga. Sobra na over pa, diba? So she said she's been so overprotective. Yeah.
Hindi ko sila pinabayaan na madumihan. Sobrang maseran.
I didn't allow them to get dirty.
And then, hindi pala maganda yun.
And it's not good.
Kasi nga, overprotective.
Because I felt like them.
Gusto mo habulin mo lagi ng alcohol kung sino yung kukurot, hahawak.
Aha. So you always want to, you know, to sanitize the child before somebody is holding or touching the child.
And the result is, masasakitin siya ng hindi.
And so the result became that my children were